I'm here with my colleague Alison Coolican, and we're going to show you how to do 3 stretches for the back of your hip joint, 3 muscles in the back of the hip. These 3 stretches are good for pain in the front of the hip or the back of the hip, restriction or pain in the lumbar spine or the lower back, and problems down the outside of the leg. 3 muscle groups or muscles that are arranged around the back of the hip. The first one is gluteus maximus, which comes from the top of your hip bone here and a little bit of the sacrum and down towards the outside of the leg. The second one is gluteus medius, which starts here slightly deeper into the back of the hip and down to the outside of the leg bone. This bone here, by the way, is this piece right on the side of your trouser pocket here, which lots of people think is your hip, which is actually the top of your leg bone. So this is called the greater trochanter. That's this thing right here. The second one is gluteus medius, and the third one is piriformis. It starts from this bone here and goes across to the sacrum, and is often very involved with problems of the hip.
Every day is best, but if you can do it 3 times a week, 4, 5, 6, that's good too.
First off, Alison's going to show us a stretch for the gluteus maximus at the back of the right hip.
Bring your right foot on the outside of your left knee and just draw your knee into your chest, making sure that your sitting bones are both in contact with the ground and that your low back is straight. Okay, we'll start with the incorrect way, like this.
Yep.
And then, so I'm rolling off of my sitting bones. I don't even feel that they're contacting the earth, and my low back is rounded out. So by shifting my pelvis forward, I can feel that this sitting bone is touching the ground and that my low back is straighter and stronger.
So you could see that in that first stretch, the alignment of the lower back is very important. Next, we've got a stretch for the gluteus medius.
Right glute med. And I cross my right leg over my left and turn to the left. And I feel the stretch on the side of my hip.
So remember, for the glute medius stretch, you should be feeling it on the side of your hip and not feeling pain in your lower back. Next is the piriformis stretch. And notice here that Alison has a small pillow under her lower back to maintain the proper alignment of the spine. Yeah.
Lying back with a small pillow under my lumbar spine, cross your right ankle over your left knee and flex your right foot towards your knee. And bring your left leg up towards your chest, and if you can reach, clasp behind your left hamstring, or use a belt or a towel to bring your leg up. And then you should feel it deep in the back of your hip.
So there you have 3 stretches for the back of your hip. These videos are designed to be a resource for clients of Mark Finch and Associates. So if you have other requests or ideas for a short video, please email us info@markfinch.ca.